Today I'm going to show you how to divide decimals when you have two decimals that you need to work with. All right, so it's a little bit more complicated. It's always smart to still continue making that estimate. So let's do that first. So if I were to estimate this, I would probably round 2 79/100ths to the whole number 3, and I would divide 9/10ths to the whole number 1. And now I know that my answer should be close to 3. Then I'm going to carry out the division. So watch how this works. I'm going to write my divisor here and my dividend here. Okay, now this is going to work a little differently. What I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm dividing with a whole number and not a decimal. So I'm going to move my decimal point to the right one time, which really means that I multiplied it by 10. So if I do that to my divisor, I need to do that to my dividend. So I'm going to also move the decimal to the right here. And then I'm going to move it up into where my quotient's going to be. Okay, and then I'm going to carry out the division. Now, if it's confusing for you to look at that with all the decimals, you can always rewrite it. So essentially, I created a new problem that looks like this. Okay, and I know my decimal is going to go up here, but I'm not even going to put that yet because I don't want that to distract you. So now I'm just going to do normal division. So how many times does 9 go into 2? None. How many times does 9 go into 27? 3 times. 3 times 9, 27. I subtract, I bring down the 9. How many times does 9 go into 9? 1 time. 1 times 9, 9, no remainder, easy peasy. And now I'm left with 31. Well, remember we said our estimate is probably close to 3. So this is the only logical place to put the decimal. And if you look back over here, that was where we put it anyway. Remember we carried it up into the quotient? So our answer is 3.1.